Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Math Monsters. In today's video, we're going to be taking a more deeper dive into geometry topics, and that includes types of lines, angles, and polygons. So without further ado, let's get right in. Here's our first question. Two angles form a straight line and measure 3x plus 15 degrees and 2x minus 5 degrees, and we're asked to find x. So a little bit of algebra here because we're solving for x, and we'll probably have to set up an equation. So first, what we want to know is that all of the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees, because if you think about it, a circle has 360 degrees, and a line is basically just half of a circle. So any way you draw angles on that line, it's going to add up to 180 degrees. So that's what we have to know first. Our next step is going to be to write the equation. So 3x plus 15 plus 2x minus 5 is going to be equal to 180 because both of those angles are drawn on the straight line. When we combine like terms, we get that 5x plus 10 is 180, and 5x would then be 170, and when you divide by 5 on both sides, you get x to be 34. Let's move on to our next question. A triangle has remote interior angles of 52 degrees and 61 degrees, and we're trying to find the exterior angle x. There's two main types of angles, interior angles and exterior angles. Interior angles are the angles inside of a polygon. So all the angles inside of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So all three of those angles are interior angles. But there are also exterior angles. So what we want to know here is that an exterior angle equals the sum of two remote interior angles. So knowing this, we would write the sum 52 and 61. 52 plus 61 gives us 113. So now that we know that an exterior angle equals the sum of both of those remote interior angles, all we have to do is add up those two interior angles and get that one exterior angle x. So now we have x is equal to 113 degrees. Let's try one more problem. Here we want to find the sum of the interior angles of a nonagon. And a nonagon has 9 sides. And there is actually a formula to figure out the sum of interior angles, and that is n minus 2 times 180. And 180 is actually 180 degrees in this case because angles should always be written in the form of degrees. And n in this formula actually represents the number of sides. So here, since a nonagon has 9 sides, you would replace n with 9. So you would do 9 minus 2 times 180, which gives you 7 times 180, which is 1,260. So that is actually our final answer. Let's do a quick recap of what we covered today. So first we learned that a straight line has angles that sum to 180 degrees. So if two adjacent angles form a straight line, that means that their measures would add up to 180 degrees. Next, we learned the exterior angle theorem, which is the fact that two remote interior angles would add up to form one exterior angle. And lastly, we learned that the formula to figure out the sum of interior angles in a polygon. So say you wanted to figure out the sum of interior angles of a pentagon. So then you would replace n with 5 since a pentagon has 5 sides, and that would just be 5 minus 2 times 180, which is 540. So you can really use this formula to figure out the total interior angles of any polygon with a set number of sides. With that, we have reached the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it useful, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!